Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the colorful world where every drawing spins into fun, joy, and imagination. Today, we're spending the day with Bluey, who's out for a ride on her tricycle, enjoying the sunshine and the rhythm of happy tunes. We'll draw Bluey zooming with excitement, musical notes floating in the air, and finally, Bluey smiling bright with her xylophone and cheerful beats. So grab your markers, stretch your fingers, and let's dive into this playful Bluey adventure step by step. Let's start by sketching Bluey riding her tricycle, looking full of energy and ready for a fun ride in the park. I carefully outline her playful face, her big curious eyes, and her little nose that shows her joyful spirit. Next, I draw the tricycle, giving it nice round wheels, a steady handlebar, and a bright seat where Bluey sits proudly. I add her paws on the handle and her tail behind her, showing movement as if she's pedaling fast through a sunny day. I fill her tricycle with bold orange for the frame and a deep blue for the wheels, making it pop with lively contrast. Her helmet gets a fun green and orange combination for safety and style, perfect for an active day outdoors. Now I color Bluey with her classic bright blue and sky blue shades, blending them smoothly to capture her cheerful personality. Finally, I shade the ground softly under the wheels, giving it the look of a real little ride in motion. Next, I draw colorful music notes floating all around Bluey, dancing happily through the air. I color the music notes in bright shades of pink, purple, orange, and green, turning the air into a rainbow of sound. Each note is shaped differently, some high, some low, to show that the melody is full of life and rhythm. A few sparkles and tiny stars around them make the whole scene feel alive with music and laughter. Now we draw Bluey standing joyfully with her xylophone, ready to play a fun tune under the shining sun. Her wide smile and sparkling eyes, showing how proud she is of her music-making moment. Then I sketch her holding the mallet in one paw and the colorful xylophone in the other, filled with notes and rhythm. I also add a bright sun shining above her, with musical notes floating all around, filling the air with happiness. I fill Bluey's body with soft sky blue and deeper ocean blue, giving her that warm and friendly glow. I make the musical notes bright and glowing, showing how the sounds come to life through her fun little song. Her xylophone gets a rainbow of colors: pink, red, yellow, and purple, making it the centerpiece of her joyful tune. And finally, I color the shining sun a bright yellow, wrapping Bluey in warmth and joy as she plays happily. And that's our fun-filled Bluey adventure, writing, playing, and bringing music to a sunny day. We drew her tricycle, her happy tunes, and her cheerful smile, turning this page into a celebration of color and sound. Remember, when you draw with heart and creativity, every line can sing with happiness, just like Bluey. Thanks for watching Zoonitoons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another fun drawing adventure.